Hey there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to bow down to the reigning queen of pop music? That's right, we're talking about none other than Taylor Swift. Let's take a quick look at how she has dominated the music industry and won our hearts along the way. With hit after hit, Taylor has been on top of the music world for over a decade. But did you know that she started as a country singer? Her songwriting skills and relatable lyrics earned her a dedicated fan base and multiple Grammy Awards. But Taylor doesn't just stick to one genre. She has evolved her sound over the years, from country pop to electropop, and even dabbled in indie folk. And she's not afraid to speak out about important issues, like women's rights and political activism. Plus, let's not forget her signature cat eye makeup and killer fashion sense. Taylor is a true icon in every sense of the word. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow Swifties. See you next time.